Happy Monday, guys. This week, we're going through a transition week, so we're going to be doing some benchmark workouts, retesting some things we did 8 weeks ago, and then next week, we're starting a brand new cycle. So today's workout is a strength benchmark to start off with. We've done this one before. This one's for load. We're going to do a lift every minute on the minute. We do 1 rep, and we start with the snatch. You're going to build up in weight every minute on the minute. So let's say first round I do 100 pounds on the minute. Then the next minute I do 1 rep at 110. Then the next minute 120, 130, and so forth. And then I get to a 1 rep max, and that's kind of where my 1 rep max is. Let's say it's at 140, for example. Then after that, I'd start doing cleans every minute on the minute. So let's say after the 140, I keep the same weight on the bar. Now I'm doing cleans with that same weight. So the weight's not going down, we're keeping the same weight and just building up as we move on from the movement. So then from 140, let's say again, I do 1 rep at 140. Next minute, I do 150, then 160, 170. Okay, I hit my max. Then after that, I'm gonna go into deadlifts. So keeping the same weight, I'm gonna do 1 at 170, perfect, okay. Now let's do 1 at 180, and every minute on the minute we're doing a rep until we get to that 1 rep max. Once you hit that 1 rep max, you're gonna move on to the next movement. So this workout, we're trying to build up to a heavy lift for each of the movements, and we're doing 1 rep every minute on the minute, starting with a snatch. Once you get to the max snatch, you're gonna go to your max clean. After the max clean, you're gonna go to your max deadlift. So write these ones down, record it on Cfw Wod. There will be sections for you to kind of fill out, so these will go into your barbell benchmarks, so you can easily look back and see what you did for these lifts. And we have done this one before a couple of times in the past, so we can kind of go back and look as a reference to get an idea of how we're doing, where's our strength at, what numbers are moving up, what are kind of staying the same, and maybe what we can kind of start improving on. Then our workout, very straightforward. AMRAP 7. Max burpees to target. So we're gonna pick a target 6 inches above our reach. So you're gonna get your arm overhead, and then 6 inches from the tip of your finger to that target is gonna be your target for the workout there. So you do your burpee, just the ground, jump up, touch that target every single time for that rep to count. Look back at what you did previously. I believe this workout's open workout 12.1. You can see that in your benchmarks, or it will show up on Cfw Wod telling you that you did this one before. So look back at what you did before and maybe see if you can beat it by a couple more reps. So that would take you to kind of look back at, okay, let's say I did 70 reps in an AMRAP 7. That means I did 10 reps a minute. If my goal is to do, let's say 80 reps, maybe I need to add 1 more rep per minute to kind of get closer to that goal there. So that's what I would do, kind of look at what I did before, and then kind of get an idea of what my goal is and see what I need to do for my pacing per minute to be able to achieve that goal by the 7 minutes. Hope you guys get some PRs today and have fun with this one, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.